How to use FaceTime on your iPhone. FaceTime is a video calling app on your iPhone. Go to settings and here look for FaceTime app. Tap on it and people can contact you on all your devices with FaceTime. Enable this feature by toggle on this page and your FaceTime is successfully enabled. Here change other settings. Now we will see how to create a link on your FaceTime app. Open FaceTime app and tap on create link and choose a contact which you want to invite or through your link, and FaceTime link will appear here and simply share link. Tap on share link and choose a contact from your appearing list, and also you can tap on message app to send your FaceTime link through messages and invite them. Now share FaceTime link with your friends or family. Tap on link, tap on message app and choose a contact list and send it to invite FaceTime video call through a FaceTime link on your iPhone. Now we will see how to connect FaceTime video app. Click on new FaceTime and tap on contact list which you want to make a video call with FaceTime, and your video call through FaceTime app will successfully connected, and you can use your FaceTime app to video call.